Hi there.
Hi, how are you doing today?
I'm doing fine. How about you?
I'm good too. It's a nice day.
By the way, what's your name?
My name's Sapna. And yours?
I'm Avinash. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Where are you originally from?
I'm from Faridabad, India. And you?
I'm from Chilwan, Nepal. It's interesting that we are from two different countries but met here unexpectedly.
Do you speak any other languages?
Yes, I speak some English and a little Spanish. You?
I can speak English and French.
Cool. What color do you like the most?
My favorite color is blue because it reminds me of the sky.
How old are you, if you don't mind me asking?
I'm 18, still a student. How about you?
I'm 20, also in college.
Do you have any brothers or sisters?
Yes, one brother and a sister.
I have one younger brother.
What do you do in your daily life?
Mostly study. I'm a university student. And you?
Same here. I study and do a part time job.
What time is it now?
It's around 2 o'clock in the afternoon.
What time is it now?
I live in an apartment near downtown. How about you?
Where do you live these days?
Do you enjoy coffee?
I stay in a student hostel close to college campus.
Every morning. It's a part of my routine.
Yes, I love the smell and taste. Do you drink it often?
Is the weather warm today?
Very hot. I had to turn on the fan.
What were you doing earlier?
Just reading a book. It's a mystery novel.
Sounds fun. I enjoy thrillers.
Can you swim?
Yes, I've been swimming since childhood. Can you?
A little. I'm still learning.
What color is your car?
It's red, bright and easy to spot.
Are you married?
No, I'm single. You?
Same here.
What do you usually do when you're not studying?
I like listening to music or going for a walk. How about you?
I enjoy sketching and sometimes cooking when I can.
Do you have any pets?
Yes, a small dog named Coco. Do you?
I used to have a cat. I miss her a lot.
What's your favorite food?
Pizza, hands down. How about you?
I like sushi. It's light and tasty.
Are you working anywhere now?
Yes, part time as a teaching assistant.
Same here. I just prefer listening to music.